Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to get a modded version of Pure Sniper for iOS and Android completely free. So let's get straight into the video. So basically there's a site called hexmods.com. They have a ton of modded apps. You can use the search bar if you can't find it, but just find the Pure Sniper mod. Go ahead and press on it, press download, and before it downloads there will be one more step. So this final step is a verification where we need to download 2 apps and complete the missions. They're 100% for free, and they're also on the official app store. So let's just wait for this to download here, as you can see. Alright, so as you can see guys, it says complete 2 free apps or surveys from our partner list to finish installing the mod. Now there's going to be around 4 apps on this page. You only have to download 2 of them, and you want to make sure that you read the instructions. You can see TikTok says down to run for 30 seconds, but then the game says reach level 10. So make sure whatever it says to do, you're doing that, because if you just download the apps, this process is not going to work. They also have Family Island where it says reach level 10. That's the one I did. So it's pretty easy, but there's tons of these apps. So anyway guys, after you complete the verification, you will have the Pure Sniper hack on your device. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you guys are interested in getting a modded version of the Pure Sniper, guys. This fully works and it's super cool. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, all you gotta do is like download 2 of the apps. It doesn't matter which app. Also guys, I'm in the United States, so if you're in like Europe, the apps are probably gonna be different, and that's totally normal. So yeah, these are just some US apps, and yeah, you just press on the app, you press tap to install, and it should literally bring you straight to the app store. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe. This is super awesome. It totally works and everything. So I'll see you guys later, and peace out.